Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 because I decided that the first video was going to be part 1, although I did not say it in the end, but I should have the title as that. Alright, so in part 2 we're going to be doing I don't know, what would you like to call it? I would say bounty hole, but that's like a 50-50 hole, so that's not really what we're doing. It's more of a,
little game.
It's like not would you rather, but more of a, you'll just see what we're doing. That's better, because I have no idea how to explain that. Anyways, so, I think we're just gonna get right into it. Is that anything else to say?
Yeah, okay. Pick a mud hole.
Okay, let's start out with the hardest one, because I know you can pop water wheelies with that thing, and I cannot with this, so, although I'm a 600 and you're a 420. Anyways, that big mud hole back there. No, actually, we're just going to start off simple. How about that? How about this one right here? Alright, so let me pull up to get a nice view on that. And like I'm not starting, I didn't have my own picture. Alright, ready when you are. Now I'm scared that he's gonna pick that hole. Alright, so you completed the hole. Now what do you want me to go through?
I think a little bit of boulder tar. I want you to just go through that strip right there.
Strip, the one with the tree coming out of the wall?
Come over that end, just go over there.
Alright, shouldn't be too hard. Alright, let me... You pull over there, we'll get everything set up. Alright, we're gonna get everything set up. Sorry, the camera angle's horrible. Alright!
You have completed the mud hole.
Alright.
That is good.
Alright. So, sorry about the camera angle. Had to flip up my helmet there so I can speak. Alrighty, so, what are you filling up for? Hard or easy? I remember you can take, like, trails, so you know, like the deeper trails back there. You can take those as an option.
Well, you gotta take it for me.
I know I have to pick it for you, but you can pick that over there as a choice for me, or I can pick it for you.
Yeah.
How about we do... Oh, I know a hole.
None of the ones that the Jeep can go through, but I can't.
There's like none of... I'm not going to pick the far right and far left one. That's like impossible.
No.
Can you do the one all the way back there, or no? The big one? Or is that too deep right now?
Big one?
Not the one that's like all swampy, but the
The one that I went down. The one whenever you're going through the little pass, the first one? The big straightaway?
Yeah, the one I first showed you with the side-by-side. Can you do that one?
Maybe.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Well, you do it, not me. can do it. Can you even do that one?
That one?
Yeah. Probably a no.
I could, but I'm not going to because I know there's a snapping turtle that lives in there and some things.
Yeah, we don't want to.
Gator.
Yeah, no alligators or snapping turtles today. All right, you can go through this one.
Sit on this side of your four-wheeler.
All right. I don't know why I saw my four-wheeler on. If he's expecting me to go through that, that's going to be a no for me.
Ready?
Sure. Okay. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. So, yeah, this is the big hole that runs all the way down there. And, you're gonna do it. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. You think you can do it?
Before.
I know, it looks kind of deeper, though. I mean, at least your air intake's under your seat, so that helps.
Directly under my feet.
Yeah, that helps. Alright, well,
Your winch on. Well, you do.
no,
Cable off.
yeah, so I have no cable, so if he's stuck, then we're having to take a ride all the way back. Well, actually, you got a strap.
Yeah, but this thing's turning the bucket off.
But if you get stuck, we're gonna use it.
Hey, here we go.
Alrighty, I'm gonna follow you, so. Way out inside. like you ran into a couple problems. Like your oil cap was a little underwater. How come I know like 4 people that say that? Well, how see you all next time. Bye.